Brooklyn with a frown upon my face.
Just left Wisconsin, where there's cheese enough to start this rat race.
But thanks to the brothers' ride,
we don't know where we'll sleep tonight.
yeah, I'm a bird in the sky.
And tomorrow when I rise,
I wake up in Paris with a new love in my heart. Or maybe Germany with that brand new pet I met in Stuttgart.
sky's the limit, it's time to play. I'll put down roots some other day.
No need to be a lonely Joe.
The jet set is the
Only way to go.
Would you like new music and mystery? Each and every day, lose the same old music and history. Make a new friend, then fly away and wait up in Texas, where they treat their women right. And then try Hollywood, where the stars get lived out in broad daylight. Any city near or far feels twice as good as where you are. When you're sick of the status quo, the jet set is the only way to go.
Would you like a sleigh ride, a hayride? Then, kiddo, just stay home. But if you want jet set, then get set to leave behind Kansas. There's no place like home.
Wake up in Rio, have your coffee in Brazil.
When real life gets you down, take a far out
One-way trip to Splitsville.
Swedish, Greek, or Japanese.
A stewardess is trained to please. So if you've got what it takes below, well then fly this bird like Cupid's bow. 'Cause the jet set's just a holiday, and the jet set goes up and away. So fly
Right down to Italy, for la bella femina. Jump in a fountain for a big dose of la dolce vita. If your tastes run more risque,
well then